Technology is everywhere. It's changing how we live, work and play. One of the biggest changes is automation. Automation is when machines and computers do tasks that humans used to do. Think self-checkout kiosks or those robot vacuum cleaners. Pretty cool, right? But also a little bit scary, because what happens to the people whose jobs are now done by robots? That's what we're going to talk about. Automation is growing fast. It's like that friend who suddenly got really good at a video game. You're impressed, but also a little threatened. Industries like manufacturing and transportation are seeing big changes. Remember, factory workers, many of those jobs are now done by robots. Even driving jobs like truckers and taxi drivers are at risk as self-driving vehicles become more common. It's a lot to take in. It's easy to worry about robots taking over all the jobs, and sure, some jobs will disappear, but automation also creates new jobs. Think about the people who build, program and maintain those robots. Those are jobs that didn't exist before. The problem is, these new jobs often require different skills. It's like suddenly needing to learn a new language. It takes time and effort. The key is to adapt. We need to learn new skills and be ready for the changing job market. Think of it like learning to use a smartphone. It was weird at first, but now you can't imagine life without it. The same goes for automation. It's here to stay, so we need to learn how to work with it. Automation isn't all doom and gloom. It actually has a lot of benefits. For one, it can make things more efficient. Imagine a factory where robots work alongside humans. The robots can handle the repetitive tasks, while humans focus on the more creative and complex work. That means more products, faster production, and hopefully cheaper prices for everyone. Automation can also improve safety. Robots can work in dangerous environments like mines or disaster zones without putting human lives at risk. They can also perform delicate tasks with precision, reducing errors and accidents. So, while we may lose some jobs, automation can create new ones, improve efficiency, and make the workplace safer. The future of work is changing. Automation is here, and it's not going anywhere. But that doesn't mean we're all doomed. It just means we need to be prepared. We need to embrace lifelong learning, develop new skills, and be adaptable to change. It's like learning to ride a bike. It takes practice and maybe a few falls, but eventually you get the hang of it. Governments and businesses also have a role to play. They need to invest in education and training programs that prepare people for the jobs of the future. They need to create safety nets for those who are displaced by automation. We can navigate this new world of work together. It's a challenge, but it's also an opportunity to create a better future for everyone.